will not be without reward, because as we already know, so there are 5 destinations, only one destination, that is a beta. So in which the beings or the hungry ghost, the beta, they will be able to enjoy the share of the merit, not any other destination. But we are making offering. We do not know where our relatives are reborn. So something like we are doing blindly. So only, according to our teaching, only the person who was reborn, born in the Pita world can get the share of.
How many instruments you get? 6 months. 6 months. Right? So in 20 years, you get 20 years and 6 months. But you have to deduct this 4 months because you have to give 4 months to this, right? Because you have to drop 4 months. So 30 days because each too many one day drop in 20 years. You have to drop 4 months. 4 months. And other points. In 20 years, you have got 67 months. 67 months. And 67 months. Minus 4. Minus 4. You have to make it got 2 months. 2 months. So in 20 years. In that case, in 20 years, how many you have got in 20 years? Your age is 20 and 2 months. Right? If you are exactly 20 years, according to the McKenna, you are safe to be ordained, according to this method.
So English speaking or skill at mathematics, skill at Pali and so on. So locative sense. So that is an indicator now. So enjoins the use of the genitive in place of the locative case. So on behalf of the locative case, genitive case is used. That is locator normal. So with such word by the rule Chatija. So Gijana rules 210 in the Kanaka chapter, which according to the word is so that is easily here. So the adjective form refers to the knowledge or skill or experience. So we will use the genitive case, but locative sense. So that is easily we can say here. The adjective givenly, the adjective kusala, and the adjective ovida. So givenly means perfected or expert. And the kusala means clever or skilled or skillful. And the ovida also adapted or proficient or sometimes skillful also. So with these adjectives, we will use the genitive case on behalf of the locative, but locative sense. Okay, please read the example. Ramajariyasa. Affected in my life or is part of the ideal life. Buddhist or and then clever in the form of the drum. I am skilled in the past and accessories of the chariot. Agusara, Imasa, Mokasa, having no knowledge of this world. Yoga Kimasa, Akasa, only God, proficient in the path of deliverance. Adira Jamasa, Agovido, with the knowledge of the noble doctrine. So in this example in the past, so Brahmacharya Saki.
You have to study in second semester. So 40 days you have to study 14 days, or you can say 14 weeks, 14 weeks. So, Judy also 42 days. So, if we say, if we finish one Judy in 1 week and 1 day, altogether just 14 Judies. So just give you an example. Actually, sometimes 1 Judy will not finish in 1 week. So even though
they approach they approach to the Buddha. At the time, the Buddha said, what did he say? You. They know it means a you. You too. What happened? You too? And then? No?
About this matter.
So you need to finish the first clause. You do? Not only. No? But in the past life.
You also quarrel about this matter.
Not only quarter.
What is
Now in this life. You too not only quarter in this life, but also in the previous lives. You
quarrel?
you did, you do, you did. Like that. Huh? Torn up. Okay, there's a less. Torn up. What's mean torn up? Huh? And then. Torn up. Yes, Swabhyadi. Torn up. Yes, Swabhyaga. Alpha.
Yesterday, how to say?
After taking your Bible, someone
One, yes. Deal.
I go with my friends, like, when I don't want to study the I don't want to study the other time I go with my friends. Again, this is a door. Why do you have why do you
What is it?
This morning at 3 o'clock, so today I want to draw with it.
14 days. We have to study 14 days. Or you can say 14 weeks. 14 weeks. So, Judy also 42 days. So, if we say, if we finish 1 Judy in 1 week and 1 day, altogether just 14 Judys. So just give you an example. Actually, sometimes 1 Judy will not finish in 1 week. So even